The QANYI Cutest Decor toaster lamp is a unique and charming addition to any room, blending playful design with practical lighting features. This nightlight is shaped like a toaster with a kawaii aesthetic, making it an appealing decorative piece as well as a functional lamp. Crafted from high-quality ABS material, the lamp has a smooth finish that is durable and safe, ensuring it is suitable for children's rooms as well as adult spaces. The lamp emits a soft, soothing glow that is easy on the eyes, which makes it ideal for use as a nightlight, bedside lamp, or ambient lighting to create a cozy atmosphere. The light is non-flashing and diffuses evenly, protecting eye health and providing a comforting illumination that is neither harsh nor glaring. One of the standout features of this lamp is its portability and convenience. It is USB rechargeable with a built-in 800 mAh battery, allowing it to be moved easily from one spot to another without the hassle of cords. This makes it perfect for limited spaces such as headboards, shelves, or desks where space is at a premium. Users have noted that a single charge lasts for many hours, sometimes over 7, which is more than sufficient for overnight use or extended periods without needing to recharge. The lamp is lightweight at just 4.8 ounces and compact in size, measuring approximately 5.28 inches deep, 2.13 inches wide, and 3.86 inches high, making it unobtrusive yet effective. The lamp's control system is intuitive and user-friendly. It features a touch dimmer switch that allows easy adjustment of brightness levels by tapping or pressing the switch. A short press turns the lamp on or off, while a long press adjusts the brightness up or down. This simple interface eliminates the need for multiple buttons or complicated controls, making it accessible for children and adults alike. Additionally, the lamp includes a timer function that can automatically shut off the light after a set period, adding to its convenience and energy efficiency. In terms of lighting quality, the QANYI toaster lamp provides a warm light at around 3000 Kelvin, which is soft and inviting. The brightness is adjustable, with the highest setting bright enough to illuminate a room decently without being overpowering. This makes it suitable not only as a nightlight, but also as a reading light or desk lamp. Users who suffer from headaches or sensitivity to harsh lighting have found this lamp particularly comfortable to use for late-night work or study sessions. The LED light source is energy efficient and long-lasting, rated for approximately 50,000 hours of use. The design is playful and visually appealing, especially for children and teens. It has been affectionately nicknamed the Sandwich by some users' children due to its toaster shape. The lamp comes in a pink color variant painted with a smooth finish and is waterproof, which adds to its durability and safety in various indoor environments. It is suitable for use in bedrooms, living rooms, offices, dorm rooms, coffee shops, and other indoor spaces where a cute and functional light source is desired. Customer feedback highlights the lamp's charm and effectiveness. Many users praise its soft lighting, ease of use, and portability. It is often described as cute overload, which is exactly what buyers expect and appreciate. The lamp makes a thoughtful gift for children, teens, and even adults who enjoy whimsical decor and practical lighting solutions. It is especially popular as a birthday present or holiday gift due to its unique design and functionality. Some users have noted the lamp's build quality is solid, with thick plastic construction and no metal parts, which contributes to its lightweight nature and safety. The lamp does not flicker or overheat during use, which adds to its reliability. Charging is straightforward via USB, and the included lithium-ion battery ensures long-lasting performance. The lamp's cordless feature enhances its versatility, allowing it to be used anywhere without the constraints of a power outlet. On the downside, the lamp is designed strictly for indoor use, so it is not suitable for outdoor environments. While the pink color is charming, some users have expressed a desire for additional color options to match different decor styles or personal preferences. However, the brand does occasionally offer other colors, such as yellow, which have been well received. Overall, the QANYI Cutest Decor toaster lamp is a delightful and practical lighting accessory that combines fun design with functional features. It excels as a nightlight, reading lamp, or decorative piece, especially in children's rooms or cozy home offices. Its rechargeable and cordless nature, along with the easy-to-use dimmer and timer functions, make it a versatile and user-friendly product. The lamp's soft, warm light is gentle on the eyes and creates a comforting ambience without being too bright or harsh. If you are looking for a unique, portable, and aesthetically pleasing nightlight or desk lamp, this QANYI toaster-shaped lamp is a great choice. It has garnered positive reviews from users worldwide who appreciate its blend of cuteness and practicality. For For those who own this product, leaving a review in the comments can help others make an informed decision. The product link is available in the description to support the channel and provide easy access for purchase.